children, welcome today's 12th class CBSE English class. In the previous class, we already discussed about the poem My Mother at 66, about the poet, main theme of the poem and the summary. Today we are going to discuss about the explanation of the poem and some difficult words, meanings for the difficult words. Okay, come on children. Now see the explanation. Already earlier I read the poem. So now you go through the explanation. While driving from her parents' home to Cochin International Airport, Kamala Das notices her mother, who was sitting beside her, dozing with her mouth open. Her mother's face was pale like a dead body. The expression on her face was clearly one of pain, brownie out of fear of separation and old age. A sudden fear and pain crops up in the poet's mind, and she realizes that her mother is old now and could pass away, leaving her all alone. Though the realization was alarming, it was hard to expect. In order to drive her thoughts away from the agony and pain on looking at her mother's colorless, pale face, Kamala looks outside the car. The trees racing past and the speeding car were grim reminders that time has flown by. The choices children playing outside represents youth, energy and life. All this probably reminded of the childhood when her mother was young. After the security check at the airport, Kamala Das looks back at her mother standing a few yards away, looking pale and grey like the winter's moon. The poet senses a familiar pain and her childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother comes back. So, Kamala Das is at the airport to take flight. It indicates departure and separation, which creates melancholy as she bids goodbye to her mother in the twilight. The poet is feeling the pain of separation, leaving her mother and going. Also, her childhood fear of losing her mother, which she feels that earlier was temporary but now could be forever, as she could die of old age, is haunting her. She is so pained that it is natural for her to cry, but keeping a brave friend, she hides her tears and smiles. And here, overcome with sorrow and fear, she bids her old mother goodbye and keeps smiling to hide her real feelings. The poem revolves around the theme of advancing age and the fear that adheres to its loss and separation. It is a sentimental account of the mother's approaching end through the eyes of the daughter. The seemingly short poem touches upon the theme of the filial bond between the mother and daughter. This is the explanation, children. It is a short poem without a full stop. The poem is like a long sentence, overflowing thought process. The poet uses the devices of comparison and contrast, simile and repetition. Okay, children, now you come to the difficult words. I will give some meanings for the difficult words. First, write down the first word, doze. Doze, a short light sleep. A short light sleep. Second one, ashen. Very pale like ash. Very pale like ash. Third one, collapse. A dead body. Collapse, a dead body. Fourth one, sprinting. Here, shooting out of the ground. Shooting out of the ground. Fifth one, spilling. Here, to move out in great numbers. Spilling. Here, to move out in great numbers. Sixth one, van. Unnaturally pale as from physical or emotional distress. Van, unnaturally pale as from physical or emotional distress. Last, ache, pain. Ache means pain. So these are the difficult words in your poem, and you got the meanings also, children. Thank you. Again in the next class we will discuss about the poetic devices and question answers. Okay, thank you, children.